Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you find the name that appears to the public as the person who funds the ad under account verification? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to see what appears when someone clicks on one of your ads? Who funded for the account verification? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing ads with Google Ads, you know that they recently changed their policy that when someone sees their ads, they can see who funded the ad. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Ads account, and this is the home screen. Now, if you want to see what appears when somebody clicks on one of your ads and is showing them who funded the ad, here on the left side, you're going to click on billing. Once you click on billing, you're going to see another menu, and you want to click here on advertiser verification. Okay, once you click there, it's going to say your ad disclosure now shows ads funded by. Now, this might be your personal name like it is on mine, or it might be your company name. That really depends on how you set up your Google Ads account. So for me, I don't mind that this particular account is showing my personal name. However, if this is not correct, then you would need to complete these tasks down here and answer various questions about who is actually paying for this ads account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering what name shows up under your advertiser verification ads funded disclosure, that's the easiest way I know how to find that information. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.